Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you with a 2018 Grady-White 215 Freedom dual console boat today. I wanted to start up in the bow because this is really the great spot for the family to hang out, but it's also really versatile because these cushions come up, and underneath of these seats there's two insulated fish boxes and or coolers. Really just utilizes the space in this boat really well. There's of course storage for an anchor, a couple speakers so you can be listening to tunes. You've got cup holders. Great place for people to lounge and enjoy the sun. There's some storage underneath of the helm here. It's all carpeted, very well um, cut out. You've got a couple tackle boxes here for some of your fishing gear. Really unique in a 21.5-foot boat is this boat has a head, which is great for family purposes. Very well finished out. It has a pump out head as well as some of your boat covers and stuff in there. Your head unit over here on the passenger side so you can control the stereo. And of course the driver has some control of that too. At the helm, a real nice area up here for you to put a good fishing display with maybe a depth finder, chart plotter, sonar. Of course, a tilt steering wheel with a compass in the center and your Yamaha information here. This boat's powered by a 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Really great power for this boat, and one of the most unique things about this boat is this port side lounge here that slides forward and backward to multiple different positions, so you can turn it into a full rear facing lounger and really just enjoy that family time and utilize the cockpit. And of course, it wouldn't be a Grady-White if you didn't have the fishing abilities at the back of the boat. You've got a live well here that could double as a fish box if you chose to. You have these walkthroughs in the back that help get in and out of the boat, but they also double. This seat turns around like on this side here, and they can turn into a forward facing seat as well. Just a really great universal boat for family and fishing. Really satisfies all the needs that everybody wants to do and get you guys out on the water to enjoy your time. Again, my name's Steven Smith here with MarineMax Houston. Come see us today.